Hello friends. Today we will learn how you can install a WordPress theme on your WordPress website. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you will land into your client area from here. Okay, and then you will select the package you want to manage, right? So this is your package, this is your website. So if you remember last time, we have created a website, erenal.com, with one-click installation on Dell Hosting Control Panel, right? Now, I can't really go with this layout, with this field, because my website is not a blog. I want to create, a business website or a barber website or a health portfolio website or a musical band website. So there are multiple options available online with WordPress, but what I want to do is to create a website which can showcase my business, right? So in order to do that, you have to select particular theme for that. Now, you already know that you can go to your website by clicking on this link or just going to the domain you have chosen. And then you can log in into your account and then land into your dashboard. Now, how you can log in into your account, let me show you quickly. So first, let me log out. Okay. Okay, so when you are on your website, you just type your website.com/wp-admin. Okay, then you will land on your WordPress administrative login page. You provide your username, password, and click on login. Once you log in, you will land on your WordPress dashboard, right? Now, there are multiple options on your WordPress dashboard, which I will take you through afterwards. But right now, what we have to concentrate on is our appearance. So when you click on the appearance, you will see all the default themes ships directly with WordPress installation. And right now we are using the 2020 theme, which you can see going to your website from here. So this is the 2020 theme you're using on your website right now, but I want to change it. Right. So what I usually do is I go to this website called One Page Love because they have lots of website themes, or I should say lots of WordPress themes available for free, and they have demo data also for that. So usually I do go on templates and then WordPress. When you click on there, you will see multiple options there, which you can purchase. One of the favorite theme, which I like, is the Lander. Why? Because this theme is a one-page theme, but not only that, this also ships with very nice demo data importer plugins, and that enables me to install this theme with it just click of a button. Okay, and that's why I use this one. So let's have a look. How does this theme looks like? So when I click on the launch button here, this is how this theme looks like. Okay, this is much better, much intuitive, and I would like to use this one for my business or for my shop or for my website, right? Obviously we can customize the images and the text afterwards, but what matters is it's all there, and we just have to do it, right? Okay, so let's go and download this theme. When you click on the download button, the One Page Love will start downloading it, and it will be downloaded into your download folder here. Then you go back to your dashboard of your WordPress dashboard, click on appearance again, and then click on add new button, right? Once you click on add new button, you will see lots of free available WordPress themes from WordPress repository, but we have to click on upload themes here. Then you choose the zip file which you just have downloaded, which is this one, and open it. Once it is chosen, click on install now. When you install it, it will take a while because what it actually does, it actually unpacks the zip file, install the theme, and then once the theme is installed, it gives you an ability to see the live preview. Now, before doing the live preview, I would like to activate that theme. Okay, So I click on the activate theme. So once the theme is installed, you activated it, you click on theme detail and you click on Rife free import and info. Once you click on that, you will land on this particular page where you will see multiple options, which is design importer, exporter, Rife Pro, and other tools. You can also reach on this particular page by going to appearance and then Rife free import and export info once you have activated the design. Okay, so once you reach on this page, click on design importer. You will see multiple options here, right? But just let me be very clear. All these options are paid options. So you can only choose the ones which are free here. So because we have downloaded Lander theme, I'm gonna click on it. And then once I click on it, I will choose and move to the next step. Once I choose and move to the next step, I have some pre-configured things on my server, which this theme automatically detects. And after detecting it, it tells us that we are ready to go forward because everything is good. On the left hand side, you will see the options you can import. So we would like to import a demo content, demo site settings, and theme settings. We would also like to remove all the previous or the all the current content on it. Don't do that if you already have a website and you already have blog post or any other things. But if you have installed it fresh, then it will be good idea, because that way you have everything fresh and then you can edit it according to your needs. Now, if you're installing a WordPress WooCommerce shop add-on, then you might be interested in importing some shop content. But because I'm not doing that right now, so I will not import it. Okay. So once you have selected all the options, you click on next button. When you click next button, you see this window where you are about to import. Now, before clicking on start importing the design, I just want to make sure that your internet connection is good so that it can download all the contents from the lender server and install it on your dashboard here on WordPress, here on Dell hosting. So click on import the design, click on OK, and it will start importing all the required files like plugins, site configurations, theme JSON files. It will also delete your current content which is available on your Dell hosting server. It will install all the necessary plugins. And once that content and settings of the themes all are imported, you are ready to go forward with your website. So basically, it installs everything for you, which you might have done by yourself from sitting on your computer for several hours with just one click. So now you can click on view your website, or you can go to other options. So I would recommend you click on view your website so that you can see how your website is looking right now. Okay, there we go. This is how your website is looking right now. This is amazing, guys, because what you have done essentially is you have saved 1 month long work which you would have put into this website in order to get all these settings, these images, this content up and running, and this look. Okay, so this is how your website looks right now. Okay, now let me tell you how you can actually customize it, because obviously your business name is not Landers, or your theme is not what you're seeing right now here. Okay, so what you can do is you can go back to your dashboard, and then you can either click on customize your website here, or you can go back to appearance, themes, and then you see this blue button here, customize. You click on this blue customize button. What it does actually is it actually opens a live preview for you in order to give you the what you see, what you get, feel on your WordPress website. So for example, here I can see that the logo or the name of the website is Lander. So what I have to do, I have to go to the header setting here. Have to go to the logo. Now, either I can use the logo from header variant, or I can, type and create an image, or I can just put the words here. There we go. And the moment I type my website name here, it actually updates here. So this is how incredibly easy it is. You can change the font weight, you can change the size, you can change the padding, or you can change how it looks like on the mobile. Now, as you can see, this is how it's going to look on a desktop. If you want to see how it's going to look on a iPad, just go on to the bottom here on the left and click on this button. This will show you how it is going to look on an iPad, right? Okay, and now if you want to see how it's going to look on a mobile, click on the mobile icon, and this is how it will look on a mobile website. So this is amazing, guys. How you can use the power of WordPress with just few clicks, even though you don't know anything about programming or anything about design, right? So this is how you actually create your website with all the required content settings and graphics without doing any technical work. If you have any queries, just reach out to me via email, or you can create a support ticket on Dale Hosting, or you can just comment below this video and I'll try to respond you back as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.